Getting a loan with bad credit can be challenging, but not impossible. Here are steps you can take to improve your chances. Know your credit score. Start by checking your credit score. Understand where you stand and what lenders might see when reviewing your application. Explore loan options. Research lenders who specialize in providing loans to individuals with bad credit. These may include online lenders, credit unions, or peer-to-peer lending platforms. Consider secured loans. Secured loans require collateral, such as a car or property. While this reduces the risk for the lender, it also means you could lose your asset if you default on the loan. Find a co-signer. A co-signer with good credit can increase your chances of loan approval. Keep in mind that if you default, the co-signer is responsible for repaying the loan. Improve your application. Highlight any positive aspects of your financial situation, such as stable employment or a high income. Provide documentation to support your claims. Review terms carefully. Pay attention to interest rates, fees, and repayment terms. Ensure you can afford the monthly payments before accepting the loan. Work on improving your credit. While waiting for loan approval, take steps to improve your credit score. Pay bills on time, reduce debt, and dispute any errors on your credit report.